What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today you can literally see where I am. I'm in the garage at work. So today, and actually yesterday, I've done a double shifts. So I worked from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. So I've been up since around 6 o'clock, and probably when I go to sleep will be probably around 12 o'clock. So it's a long day. Alright guys, but let me get going. I'm on the bike. You can see my LED lights are on, but I'm gonna take the roads. I'm not gonna take the highway. At the same time, I need to stop by at a bank. So alright guys, I'll talk to you more when I'm outside and riding home. Alright guys, I am outside out of the garage and I'm on the roads. But yeah guys, like I said, did a double today and yesterday, so a bit tired, but pretty much when I ride I'm not too tired to ride. So at least the chilled weather will warm me up, will keep me cool. So but yeah guys, so it's just right now I'm just gonna do a motovlog heading home, just showing you guys how I ride my R3 at night. So that's why I have my LED lights on, because there's roads like this right now. It's really dark. Actually, that reminds me, I need to take off the ND filters. Alrighty, that's one. That's two. Alright guys, sorry about that. I know it's pretty dark right now. Hopefully you guys can see me at least just a little bit. But yeah, that's one of the reasons I installed my LED lights on the bike, because at night it gets pretty dark heading home on the highway or on the roads. It's pretty dangerous when the other drivers don't see you. So when I'm riding, I usually have you can probably see it might be blue for you guys, like really bright blue, but it's bright white for me. So all these people in front of me, behind me, and the sides of me can see me on the road. So like a couple of years ago, when I literally had the lights just installed, I literally had almost two incidents that it was pretty much two big truck drivers, not like the 18-wheelers, but just like Ford, Chevys, just the big like trucks, just almost run me over because they didn't see me until they literally looked over and they saw me with my lights on. They just swerved over pretty quick. But if I didn't have the lights on, I would have been pretty much run over by those two trucks on the road. And that's literally when I was heading home. So but yeah guys, hopefully right now you can see me. There's some light right now. I literally forgot to check the settings on the GoPro, because I know I don't have the ISO like cranked out. I think I only have it up to like 1600 and that's it. I don't want to go past that because it gets really grainy. So usually the GoPros are not good at night. If there's a lot of light, they're okay, but like right now it might be just a little bit grainy. But riding the R3 at night it's pretty much relaxing for me. I'm more aware, watching other drivers more clearly, having more space in between, because it's late at night. People might be getting off the bars or off of work, you know, they might be tired. So I'm watching for my own safety, because I know them might not see me. So they really help a lot. So guys, that if you guys have LED lights, you are in like in a farmlands, I recommend having those installed as quick as possible. Even guys that are thinking about it and you commute or just go out riding at night, I really recommend installing a set of LED lights. I do have an Amazon associate link in the bottom. I'll put one down there, and the one exactly that I'm using, because the one that I got it from Amazon, I believe, if not on eBay. So one of those two should be down there. If you click on it, it helps me out in the channel. So but yeah guys, the LED lights help out big time at night. And just overall being safe, and at the same time it kinda makes a bike stand out even more. But yeah guys, right now I'm going through just a neighborhood, kind of like the same route I would take from work to home, but just in the roads. But this route will take me in between times. I could take a longer route to head home, but like I said, I am tired. At the same time, I need to actually stop by the bank to get it's actually past due, my rent. But at the same time, the landlord has not requested it. So because when the rent was due, was on actual 4th of July, so I'm guessing he was busy. But yeah, right now I'm gonna head over to the bank, get my rent out, and just tomorrow I'm combining with the other roommates and pay the rent, because usually I have to get the money order and send it. But yeah guys, if you like this kind of content, just motovlogs, riding, explaining what I do with the bike at night like this, and why I have the LED lights, drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe. We're trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber this year, but the year is almost over. But yeah, I'm still pushing for that 1,000 subscriber this year. And if you like this kind of content, give it a share. Let everybody know who likes riding or thinking about getting an R3. Share the video to them, because it's a perfect beginner bike, and it's not too much. Even the experienced riders will love the R3, because you can literally bring it out and throw it in the corners, go as fast as possible and not get in trouble, or as much as trouble as a R6 or R1. But usually with that, usually a first gear in R6 or R1, you're already breaking the speed limit. On this, you could break a speed limit on the first gear, but it's gonna take you a minute to get there. But yeah, the R3 is a perfect, I'll say, beginner bike for anybody who are thinking on getting a bike. At the same time, it's not expensive. If you get a used one or a new one, it's still around like 4,500, like 5,000. depending what bike, R3 or the Kawasaki Ninja 400. So but I'm going for the experience that I have with the R3. It's a perfect beginner bike for anybody, so give it a share, give it a like, subscribe. Oh man. I think from last time I rode on this road, I think I said the road needed to be paved or redone again, and they're actually doing it. Well, I think it's already all scraped up and everything. I don't remember, it's been a while. Jeez, on that side it's really bumpy. You can literally see the cuts down on the ground. On this side it's not that bad, but still. Just take my time, watch the road. It's hard to see, but still, if you guys really want to learn your bike, take it out every day. Rain, sunshine, hot, cold, you'll get to learn your bike. I already did. I took it out when it was really hot, when it was cold, at night, at rain. Actually, one of those videos I'll be making soon about riding in the rain, so stay tuned for that video. I'll be just my experience and some tips and tricks on riding in the rain for, I think, beginners. So if you guys are interested, stick around. I'll be making a video soon. But yeah, it's been like a solid 4 years, because I got the bike around 2018. Yeah, almost 4 years. Almost. Actually, I need to go right here. Oh, really bumpy. Already, road is better. And I think, yeah, this road should be at least lit up a little bit more. You should be able to see me, hopefully. And at the same time, it shouldn't be that bumpy. But yeah, guys, if you're interested on how to ride the R3 and my experience, let me know. I'm just giving some tips and tricks right now on what I do at night. But if you want like a full explanation on riding, on how to ride, let me know. I'll be in the comments, guys. I'll be talking to you. Alrighty, there's my bank. Alrighty, guys, let me get my rent, and I'll catch you guys back on the road. Alright, guys, got my rent. I'm ready. Let's head home. And now, actually, part of this road is still bad. I know back before we crossed the light, it was better. This road is still kind of bad. Oh man, now the road is better. Crossing that light, the road gets really better. Yeah, at least they're trying to fix that road. But they're taking a sweet time. It's been like that since last year. Woo! I usually like taking this route because I can take those turns pretty nicely, but at the same time there's some like bumps in the in the middle of the road too, so at least I know where they are. Oh yeah, but I need to slow down now because usually there's cops over here, so I'm gonna take my sweet time and enjoy the weather. It's nice and breezy, nice and cool, so I love riding at night. But at the same time, it's kind of hard to ride at night if I'm trying to motovlog. But if you guys like this kind of content, let me know. I'll do more rides at night if you guys like it. But it's pretty fun riding at night. because it's not a lot of cars. You can take your time, do a long cruise if you wanted to, or if you wanted to go do a speed demon run and go race or whatever, but be safe. But I'm not saying do it, but at night it's nice and calming and relaxing, and just enjoy the night. But yeah guys, I'm coming close to my house, so I'll leave you guys here. If you made it at the end of the video, thank you so much. Give it a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.